Hello and welcome friends. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe. Today we will read the chapter Crop Production and Management from NCERT textbook chapter number 1. So the chapter begins with Paheli and Bujo went to their uncle's house during the summer vacation. Their uncle is a farmer. One day they saw some tools like khurpi, sickle, shovel, plug, etc. in the field. So the chapter begins with when Paheli and Bujo went to their uncle's house during the summer vacation. And since their uncle is a farmer, so they saw some tools in the field. The tools were khurpi, sickle, shovel, plug, etc. Those are agricultural tools. So now Bujo started thinking what these tools are for. So Bujo is saying, I want to know where and how we use these tools. You have learned that all living organisms require food. Plants can make their food themselves. Can you recall how green plants synthesize their own food? Animals, including humans, cannot make their own food. So where do animals get their food from? So he has more questions. Plants can make their own food. So from where animals get their food? And the answer is animals are dependent on plants and other animals for their food. But first of all, why do we have to eat food? He has many questions. Another question is, why do we need food at all? And we need food for our growth, energy, and to do day-to-day work. And for internal activity also, like internal processes also, we need food. So you already know that energy from the food is utilized by organisms for carrying out their various body functions, such as digestion, respiration, and excretion. We get our food from plants or animals or both. Since we all need food, how can we provide food to a large number of people in our country? So Bujo has another doubt. He is saying, how can we make food for large number of people living in the country? So food has to be produced on a large scale. Paheli said food has to be produced on a large scale. So in order to provide food for a large population, regular production, proper management and distribution is necessary. So now 1.1 Agricultural Practices. Till 10,000 BCE. BCE means before Common Era. So till 10,000 BCE, people were nomadic. Nomadic means food gatherer, one who wandered from one place to another place in search of food. They were wandering in groups from place to place in search of food and shelter. They ate raw fruits and vegetables and started hunting animals for food. Later they could cultivate land and produce rice, wheat and other food crops. Thus was born agriculture. So people were nomadic in earlier days and slowly they began to settle down and thus agriculture was started. When plants of the same kind are cultivated at one place on a large scale, it is called a crop. So here we see the definition of crop. So definition of crop is when plant of the same kind are cultivated at one place on a large scale, it is called a crop. For example, crop of wheat means that all the plants grown in a field are that of wheat. You already know that crops are of different types like cereals, vegetables and fruits. These can be classified on the basis of the season in which they grow. So crops are of different types like cereal, vegetables and fruits, and this can be classified on the basis of the season in which they grow. To learn more, please subscribe and you can contact me at the details given in the description. Please subscribe. Thank you.